Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find security and account access settings on your account on Xtwitter. Easy and quick. First click on your profile and now click settings and support. Click here settings and privacy, and now click security and account access. Here as you see you will find your security and account access. You can manage it if you want, and that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.